Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to download Instagram photo on PC. So first of all, open Instagram account and then select a image. Now I'm select this image. So tap on the three line and copy link and new tab. Type Instaset and go to this link and just paste here your copied link. Then download. Okay, now done. That's how you can do it. Hope you are enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial giver channel for more video.